Today's video is going to be pretty much how to put engine restore into your engine. Now this won't be on if it works or not. This is basically exactly what you need to do to put it in your engine. Now you don't have to give the engine an oil change. I put new fresh oil in this. I left out about a half a quart just so I can add this and it will not be over full. My dog in the background is pissed off if you ain't noticed. He has a anger problem when it comes to toys. He's got a doggy toy over there, and obviously he's showing it who's boss. But what you want to do on a V8, they make this in 4-cylinder, 6-cylinder, and 8-cylinder. For a V8 or any other car, you want to pretty much pull your oil filler cap. On my old school small block Chevy, it's just this. Then you will take the engine restore and shake it up. I like to shake it for about 60 seconds. So just shake it. Then once you get it full, get you a funnel, or if you're careful, just pour it right down inside that hole, or wherever it's designated to put your oil in at on your engine. Now we add the engine restore. And make sure it gets all it can. Now if you ain't seen the video beforehand, I actually showed you how to do a compression test on this engine, and this engine has extremely low pressure. Now the next thing you want to do is give your oil a few minutes to settle. Well, the engine restore that you added to your oil. Check your oil level using your dipstick, make sure it ain't over full, then start the engine. So we got the engine restore now put into an engine. It's that simple to just add it. Now I have let this truck idle for just about 2 hours. I ain't drove it none. I plan on driving it very soon. It seems to make a little bit of a difference so far. I will let you know in an upcoming video if it does work or not. We'll do another compression test and so forth on it. If you ain't seen the original how to do a compression test video, it's in the description, and you can check it out and see just for yourself how bad it was. So I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, drop a like. Be sure to leave a comment. I enjoy hearing from you guys. And hit that subscribe button so you don't miss no new content, and help show your support for my channel. Thank you for watching. See you next time.